Prior to any flight, you, as a pilot, are required to make an external inspection of the aircraft. This inspection checks the overall condition of the aircraft and those external components to ensure they are serviceable for flight operations. The complete inspection of the aircraft is normally conducted by the maintenance crew, but must be carried out by a member of the flight crew if maintenance is unavailable. In any event, there are parts of the aircraft that must always be inspected by the flight crew prior to a flight. It is this inspection that is covered in this lesson. You are not required to memorize the inspection routine, but with time you will be able to work from memory. Your inspection starts here, at the left forward portion of the fuselage, and follows a route around the aircraft. The direction of this route ensures all specified areas are inspected. The route you must follow is displayed for you now. The areas that require your attention are numbered. Select a numbered inspection area on the route for information or the forward arrow when you're ready. When you arrive at the right wing, check the condition of the number 1 slat and Kruger. At the left forward fuselage position, you make sure the static ports are clear, the angle of attack probe is undamaged, and the toilet service access door is closed. At the nose section, you check the condition of the pitot probes. Check the TAT probes and inspect the radome and latches. At the nose wheel, make sure the chocks are in place and check the condition of the wheels and tyres. Check the nose wheel steering and bypass pin selector position, and the safety pin has been removed. At the right forward fuselage, check the cargo doors and the cargo loading control door. Check also the access door to the cargo door selector. Make sure the static ports are clear and check the angle of attack probes. At the centre fuselage, you must check the access door to the refuelling control panel is closed. Check the cowls of the number 2 engine are closed and latched, and inspect the drain mast. Also inspect the fan inlet and fan blades. There are no specific items for you to check on the right-hand side of engine number 2, but you can make a general inspection as you pass. Check the area of ground in front of the engine so that it is clear of any foreign objects that could be ingested into the engine. Check the condition of slats 2 and 3 on the right wing leading edge and make sure the fuel vent overpressure disc is intact. Finally, at location number 9, inspect the wing tip. The inspection of the right wing trailing edge includes checking the control surfaces and the flaps. At the right-hand main landing gear, make sure the chocks have been removed and check the conditions of the wheels and tyres. At the aft of the right fuselage, check the toilet service access door. At the tail section, check the stabilizer and elevator and the fin and rudder. Make sure the fuel vent overpressure disc is intact. There are no specific items for you to check at the APU, but you can make a general inspection as you pass. At the left-hand side of the aft fuselage, check the freshwater drain. Select any or all of the inspection points for information or the forward arrow to continue. When you arrive at the left-hand main landing gear, make sure the chocks have been removed and inspect the condition of the wheels and tyres. As you move down the trailing edge of the left-hand wing, check the condition of the flaps and inspect the control surfaces. As you turn to inspect the leading edge of the left-hand wing, check the condition of the wing tip, and as you move further along the wing, check the condition of the fuel vent overpressure disc. It should be intact. Finally, check the condition of slats 2 and 3. Inspect the left-hand side of the engine cowls to make sure they are closed and latched, and inspect the drain mast. Move to the front of the engine and inspect the condition of the fan inlet and fan blades. There are no specific items for you to check on the right-hand side of engine number 1, but you can make a general inspection as you pass. The last items to be inspected are the number 1 slat and Kruger located at the left-hand centre wing. That completes the aircraft external inspection.